Welcome back to another get ready with me video. I'm literally trying to get out the door. This is literally like a look I would create every day kind of thing, and I'm using the Morphe Boss Mood palette, so I thought that I would sit in front of the camera and film the entire thing. So here we go. We're using the Maybelline Master Prime Eyeshadow Primer, which I adore. Of course, we're using that Morphe Boss Mood palette. I will put all of the names of the shadows that I use in the description box, so make sure you check that out with additional links as well. So always check the description box. I'm just taking this kind of warm brown, medium toned brown, and it's almost a bit, well, it's a bit orangey because it's warm tone, and I'm applying that in the crease. I'm literally just buffing that into my crease area, literally right on that orbital bone, so give you a starting point there. And I'm just buffing it in. I'm not taking it up too high because this is a look I am wearing just out, you know, an everyday kind of thing. And I am loving these palettes. Also, sorry you could probably hear the chainsaw in the background, but this is the only time I have to film my voiceover, so I have to take advantage. Sorry, we live in the country, so you hear all kinds of crazy stuff in the background. Chainsaws, tractors, four-wheelers, maybe big giant trucks, who knows, but it's all gonna happen. So I'm just gonna take this very shimmery metallic bronzy shade on a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm picking that up and I'm literally like swiping it on the lid because I feel like this is going to get the most pigmentation, either like kind of swiping, dragging it onto the lid, or using my finger. And it's a beautiful shade. All the metallics, oh well, actually I can't say nothing bad about any of the shades in the palettes. I've been shocked every time I've used it. So beautiful, so pigmented. There's a bit of fallout, but what palette don't give you fallout really, so I'm not perturbed by that at all. And I'm just putting a little bit of that in the upper crease area as well. And I was just showing the fallout. And also, if you're wondering what's reflecting onto my face there, it's lace curtain. Yes, I filmed this kind of late in the day, so the sun's in a different position. And look at all the kickback in the palette. I'm just showing that. But, I mean, for the price of these and the quality, who cares? So we're just using a dark coffee brown and applying that in the outer corner, all while using that same crease brush I have been using the entire time. I'm just buffing it in, and I just love this look. Typically something I regularly wear anyways. And I cleaned the brush off using the AOA Studio brush cleaner, and now I'm going in and blending some more and not adding any additional color. Now, because these palettes from Morphe don't really have a set highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Soda Pop palette, and I believe the shade I'm using is called Chilling, I believe, on the brow bone. So back to blending. Blend, 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 blend. Literally, you can't do enough blending, you know, especially with a brush that doesn't have any color on it, so it doesn't make your shades muddy. But I just blend, 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 blend. Now we're applying the coffee kind of bean shade to our lower lash line, and I'm literally just lining it down there. I'm not smudging it, I'm not overdoing it because it's kind of a dark shade. I just wanted some shadow there. So we're going to wipe away all of our powder and fallout, buff out the skin some more, and we're going to clean off the lid brush that I used. And I'm going in with the first shade, and it's kind of like a white silvery kind of shade, and I'm putting that in the inner corner to open up the eyes a bit. And I can't talk enough about this palette. It's so beautiful, you guys. So we're going to tight line with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner that I always use. And fun fact, if I haven't said it before, this is the only black eyeliner I have in my collection because I love it that much. I just keep repurchasing it. And I am using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. Also, I need to repurchase. Also, let your mascara dry if you get any on your skin, and remove it with a Q-tip. Comes right off. And I just went over the eyeshadow again blending, and we're done with the eyes. I think this look came out beautiful and stunning, and it has a little bit of orange, so my green eyes are popping. Then I decided to pair it with a kind of red dark lip, and it is the LaColors Pout Lip Gloss Matte in XOXO. And I think this look come out beautiful, an everyday look. I think this would be perfect actually for like a party or Thanksgiving dinner, something like that. But that was the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you found it helpful, you enjoyed watching. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video if you haven't already.